Hello, I'm Kiro and welcome back to my workshop. This is the first video of the year and we're starting with a punch, because this is a collaboration video and the theme was anime, just as simple as that. 8 artists, 8 videos for you to enjoy, so stay till the end to see the rest of the dolls. For mine, I wanted to pay an homage to one of my all-time favorite characters from my favorite anime, Ranma Saotome. Honestly, this anime was kinda mature for a kid to watch, but hey, I sure enjoyed it a lot. I had the chance to choose between boy and girl Ranma, but I mean, this was an easy pick. And we also love making boy dolls on this channel. But enough introduction, let's begin. For the base of my doll, I chose Dexter Charming. I already rerouted him off camera with black acrylic yarn. And now I'm starting with the face. Since I want to keep the anime style, the contour on this one will be minimum, just a little here and there to accentuate the features. So first I'm adding the eyebrows with some black pastel. I know anime brows are usually kinda thin, but I want to give him some thick brows, and also make his face very gentle. And once I'm happy with the shape, I'll clean them up with my eraser, and off camera draw some hair strokes. Now, with a brown pencil, I'll draw the lip line, and also give him a smirk. And next, the eyes. Ranma's eyes are usually blue, but sometimes they look kinda grey, so I'm using a blue base with a grey undertone. First, draw the edge of the iris with dark blue. Before I continue, I'll add the classic thick black lash line on the top. And draw the first layer of white on the scleras. And now that the scleras are clean, I can fill the irises with a cool grey, and the top with a darker tone. Anime lips are usually visible only on the profile, unless you're a JoJo character. But for this dude, I'm adding just a hint of pink and red pastels so he doesn't look pale AF. To seal the deal with the eyes, I'm drawing that big ass black pupil, and then draw the shape of the catch lights and fill them up with white acrylic paint to make them really opaque. And the face is done! It is time to make his iconic outfit. I first cut the top on red fabric, hemmed the armholes, and added this extra piece so that the skin doesn't peek through the opening. And also cut the collar. And now I'm closing the back piece from the center with my machine. Once done, I can close it from the sides. And now sew on the collar by hand. And this is how it turned out. To close it, I made these Chinese buttons with embroidery thread and some jewelry golden clasps. I put some marks on the top where I want to sew them, and there were supposed to be 4 of them, but I ended up using only 3 because they are kinda big. I know I didn't have to go this far, but I wanted the clothes to be removable, even though I never took pictures of him without his tank shirt. I actually body blushed his chest, and I'm going to throw this picture just for you to watch. Looks so good though. I'll sew the rest off camera and now it's time to make the pants. I cut them out of black fabric. And first I'm going to close it from the front and the back. All done. Next I'll close the legs. And this is how they turned out. Pretty nice. I want the waist and the ankles to be gathered. So for this, I'm using black elastic. For the waist, I'm sewing the elastic inside by hand. Waist done. Now for the ankles, I'm using the elastic on top of the pants for design purposes. And I gotta say, the fit of these pants is immaculate. And the elastic on the ankles really make them look better. So here's our boy almost ready. I wanted to record the hairstyling, but it was extremely time consuming. Anime hairstyles are not that easy to achieve. And let me tell you, it has so much hairspray on it that it might explode if it gets near any fire source. I then tried to tie this ribbon around the waist, but it looked like shit. So I just tucked the shirt inside the pants and added a thinner ribbon later. I want the shoes to be accurate and made out of fabric, so I cut a pair of inner soles with a thick cardboard and put a piece of tape on the foot so that the sole doesn't move around. And I already prepared the fabric by closing it from the heel and sewing the hem by hand. I used this pattern to make them. Very simple. Insert the fabric on the foot, stretching it from the tip, and add some fabric glue to glue on the fabric on the inner sole. And once that's secure, I'll add more glue to the rest of the sole and glue on the fabric by stretching it to make the shoe cleaner and pinching it with my tongs to work around the curves. I learned this from watching Enchantirian videos. After that, I added a lot of glue on top of that and glue on the real sole that I cut from Foam. And this is how the slippers turned out. But those soles look hideous, so I'm going to paint them with black acrylic paint. And as a final detail, I'm going to give him his wristbands. I made a pattern and cut it on the same black fabric from the pants. Sew the hem and close them. And with this, Ranma is finally done. I love how he turned out. There's something really satisfying on making your childhood memories into doll form. The outfit was a challenge though. Simple garments like this really make errors more noticeable, so it had to be constructed meticulously. Do you have an anime or cartoon you loved as a child? Let me know in the comments. And now for the reveal of all the characters from this collaboration. Special thanks to Nick from I Could Do That DIY for getting this group together. And don't forget to visit the channels from the Hatter Dolls, The Dolly Geek, Witchy Pink Little Things, Stefu Doll, I Could Do That DIY, His Name is Akin, and Valkyrie's World. Everyone did such amazing dolls, so go and show them some love. All the links to their channels are in the description box. And well, that's a wrap for today. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to help the workshop grow. Last year, there wasn't a lot of videos, but I'll try to post more regularly. And if you want to be notified when new videos come out, activate all notifications by clicking the bell. Also, you can keep in touch with me by following me on Instagram at Kiros_workshop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next time. Kiro out!